Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messages app is crashing after update in Samsung Galaxy S25. If you're using S25 and you're facing the issue that your Messages app is crashing after an update, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, I recommend you have to go to your Play Store here and just go to search for Messages, and make sure that your Messages app is completely up to date. So sometimes it might be that your app is completely updated. If you have just updated your Messages app, so sometimes it happens that your app isn't up to date, but your previous version also damaged. So you might get this app error. Make sure that your app is updated, or if your app is completely up to date and you're facing this issue and this updates, you can try to uninstall this. Click on uninstall option here. It will uninstall your previous update. Once I've uninstalled, you can use your previous version of your app. Here, just continue with your Gmail account or with your Google account here. So it might help you to fix out your issue. But if it's still not fixed your issue, go back to your Play Store here and just click on this update button to re-update your Messages app. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go ahead to your settings app here, scroll down one, go to software update, make sure that your software is up to date, then go back from here and go to apps. Here you might see apps, select default apps or choose default app here, select SMS app, and make sure that you have selected Google Messages for your Messages app. Sometimes you might see Messages app here, and also you might have Messenger app here if you have installed the Messenger, so you might get that here. You have to select Messages app from here, so your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can keep a long press on your Messages app, click on this info button or eye icon here, scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache, and you can also clear data. It will clear all the junk files from your app. Once you've done, go back, open your Messages app here. Now you have to re-log in with your account here. Just select your Google account you want to continue with, and your account will be created here. Now you can easily use your Messages app without an issue like that. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you can just scroll to the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart again to have a restart of your phone. And once you have restarted, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.